Assalamualaikum. We are from Group 4, Section 2, ACC 2501. We represent to you one of the successful IPO company in Malaysia, which is IOI Property Group Berhad.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and Assalamualaikum. My name is AHMAD Sharifuddin bin Abdul Aziz. I will explain about company's background of IOI Properties Group Berhad. First, IOI Properties Group Berhad successful listing onto the stock exchange Bursa Malaysia on 15 January 2014. IOI Properties Group Berhad is one of the Malaysian companies that lead public listed developers. IOI Properties Group Berhad is renowned as one of the largest property company in the country with a proven track record spanning more than 3 decades in the property development industry. Tan Sri Datuk Ali Sin Cheng is the founder of IOI Properties Group Berhad. IOI Properties Group Berhad has 50 billion of authorized share with par value of RM1 per share. However, the company only offered 4.4 to 4 billion of share. The company started as IOI Properties Group Sendian Berhad and changed to IOI Properties Group Berhad on 25 February 2013.
Hi, I'm ALIA. I'm going to talk about IPO objective and other details related to IPO. Okay, IPO is the first sale of a stock by a company to the public. It is either the company issue equity or debt, and if the company never issue equity, it is known as the initial public offering. Okay, the objective of the IPO is first, the shares of ownership. Generally, IPO is the first time a company sells its stock to the public. Each share represents a fraction of ownership of the company, and it will give buyers to claim on company's profit in terms of dividend or the election of the boards. It is depending on the company. Second, it is to raising money for growth. Privately owned businesses that want to grow often stuck in money. They want to expand, but they are short of money. Sure, they can make loan, but if they sell shares, they don't have to necessarily pay back, and usually shareholders don't expect to manage the firm, so it is a short way to make money, but they don't have to pay back like interest and loan in a short time. So third is creating a cash out option. By issuing publicly traded stock, a company gives its founder, leaders, early employees, and private investors a way to convert their hard work, sacrifice, and risk into money. If someone owns, says, 5% of privately held company, there's really no way to cash out short of having the company buy out her interest, something the company might not have the cash to do even if it wanted to. But once the company's stock starts trading, she will own tradable shares and can sell them. And for the IOI Properties Group Berhad, the objective is they were to create the largest developer on Bursa Malaysia in terms of market capitalization, and they also will not raising any funds from listing exercises because they will not be issuing a new shares. Besides, IOI also take care in terms of balancing the interests of the shareholders, and it will benefit the buyers and also the offer. So that's all.
So now we go into shares. There are 4 ways to buy shares. First, through brokerage houses. And how do we do that? First of all, you need to open an account in the brokerage house, and then you need to deposit some funds into that account. You then use your brokerage account to obtain a code for the stock that you are interested in. You can do this online or over the phone. Once you get the information, You then send an order to the market from your brokerage account, detailing the stock that you want to buy and how many shares that you want, and at what price you are willing to pay for the stock. And then, if the price you set meet the code, then you will enter the trade. The second method, you can buy shares directly from the company that issues them. And lastly, you can purchase shares through individual investors. Suppose that you have a friend or relative that has a stock that you would like to buy. So, you can buy the shares outside of an exchange.
So, that's all from us. Thank you.